Hi guys, it's Crabby Chaos Coordinator. I just wanted to share a quick video with you guys today, just showing you what my meal plan and meal prep plan look like for this week. So let me go ahead and get started. So for Tuesday, I'm gonna do a pot roast. I found a lot of them that need to get used up that are in my freezer, so I figured that would be a good way to get that done. And that'll leave enough leftovers for Wednesday night when it's a busy night and they don't have time to really make anything. So that's a clean out the fridge night. And then Thursday night, I'm gonna make chicken enchilada casserole. And that's another slow cooker supper. And I know Saturday night, potato soup, and I'm actually going to film that one, so you'll see that one coming up. It's a family tradition in our house, so yeah, I'll be sharing some more on that here shortly. And then I think Sunday night I will do beef tips and gravy. Okay. So that's kind of what we're looking like for this week. So let me show you how the meal prep plan will fit into that. So I'm going to get all my veggies prepped for the entire week. And it actually doesn't usually take that long. It usually takes me around an hour. But that's everything. That's everything from onions to celery to carrots to whatever we're using for the week. The only thing I do not prep is lettuce, just because lettuce tends to brown once you've cut it. So I know my kids will also need to shred some cheese because we're nearly out in the house. And then they'll need to pull out the roast on Monday as well. I just kind of ran out of some room. And then specifically, I know we'll need to shred Jack cheese. Because we'll need it for the chicken enchilada casseroles. So if she's smart, she'll do it all in one day and just make one mess like I do, but we'll see what she decides to do. She's 18 and she's learning to be an adult, so we'll see how that goes. And the other thing I will probably do is for potato soup, we like to have bacon with it. So I'll probably make the bacon on Friday when I'm off. And that way it's all done. And I'm gonna have her do extra cheese. Because that way we have the cheese ready for the potato soup as well. And then we're also gonna chop the green onions, because we top ours with green onions, cheese, and bacon. This bacon makes everything better. And then other than that, it's a pretty simple week. So I think we're all set up and ready to go. So that is our meal prep and meal plan for the week. I hope you kind of get the idea of how things kind of connect together so that we get everything done up here. Almost everything is done at the very beginning of the week, and we don't have to worry about it for the rest of the week, and we can enjoy the weekend that we have together. If you have any questions about how to do this, I do have a couple videos. One I'll link here so that you can get a better idea of how to do this. And if there's other questions that you have that I haven't answered, please let me know. And I hope this was enjoyable, hope this was helpful. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.